everyone, it's Nerf here again. I'm bringing you another unboxing and review. Last time I brought you the Mediator, and so this time I am pleased to announce that I am bringing you the Mediator barrel gun, cannon, shotgun, whatever you want to call it. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the back of the box here. See, it advertises that it's pumps up as an RSCB tank, as far as I can tell. Actually, it doesn't tell a whole lot on the back of the box. On the front here, it shows that the barrel itself swivels. It also shows, well, that's a barrel attachment. The box doesn't really show a whole lot. So let's go ahead and get it out of the box and mess around with it ourselves. Okay, so this thing comes with 3 Modulus darts. You can kind of ignore those for the moment. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it's 10, 11, 12, 16. I think I'm hearing the OPRV. There's the OPRV. And it has 3 air shifters in there, which I have no idea why they're in there. Let's go ahead and load up the 3 elite darts. 1, 2. I accidentally hit the button. This is worth noting as well. The barrel folds into a handle of sorts. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you'll hit the... Okay. That is wonderful. So I am going to get some more darts and do that again. Okay, so I've got a few more darts. I got the ones picked up that I already shot. And I figured, why not install this thing on the Mediator? That looks pretty sweet. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is too satisfying. So those were regular elite darts. I'm going to get some FVJs. These are full vinyl jacket darts. I believe these are something akin to little Valentines or Vauberries. I'm not sure the exact brand of these. I know that they are full vinyl jacket darts. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Didn't go as far. It's kind of disappointing. Now we've got some of these Adventure Force foam dome tip darts. 10. It really likes those. Now finally I've got some AccuStrike darts. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, beautiful spread with these things. You're definitely going to hit more than one enemy with these. This is absolutely great. Now another interesting thing is, I had thought originally that you might be able to curve the barrel, but I don't think you'll be able to. I think if you do turn that, it'll just stop the dart, which, to be honest, wasn't a whole lot of thinking on my part that I thought I could turn the barrel. But it's a really cool blaster. Here's the button. It's really quiet when you fire it without any darts in it. But this is really cool. This and the stock blaster just showed up in my local Walmart, and this is awesome. I'm not sure how I feel about the whole turning it into a pistol thing. Seems kind of like impractical to me. I mean, I would rather have this attached to the gun, and that's probably how I'm going to run it. But yeah, it's pretty nice. It's a pretty nice blaster overall. It hits pretty hard. I think this will actually be perfect for HVZ. I think this gun was almost designed with HVZ in mind, which is really kind of cool. The release is over on this side, so you pump it up and then hit the button and it releases the air pressure. It does seem to have a good amount of air pressure. I am going to crack this open and see how big the tank is, how good the seal is, and if there's room for improvement with the seal, I am going to improve it, because more pressure means fewer pumps means faster reloads, which is awesome. I really like how the aesthetic of the Mediator crosses over into the barrel. I think they did a really good job on that, and even though the barrel is a bit front, makes the gun a bit front heavy. I mean, it's like sort of. It's a bit heavier in the front now because you've got all this plastic up here. But the foregrip actually does a decent job of keeping that all together, and then it's really easy and pretty comfortable to switch over to this, and you can real simply switch over to the button over here, fire off a volley of 3 darts, and you're bound to hit more than one target with a spread like that. And so I think it's definitely a buy. The Mediator I picked up for $17, the barrel I picked up for $10. Now I'm almost positive that these prices are going to go up as soon as Walmart realizes that these are going to be big ticket items, as soon as people start buying more of them. And so if people start buying a whole bunch of these, I am sure that the price is going to go up. But if people don't buy a whole lot of these, then the price might stay at $17 for the blaster and $10 for the barrel. Which, $10 for a pre-integrated tank with a dump valve that shoots 3 darts at once. Nerf may not say they like the modding community, but they pay attention to us. I've seen a lot of mods that have incorporated stuff like this into barrel designs. This is basically a out-of-the-box master key, and I love it. This is awesome. This is really cool. One thing that I am definitely going to do, I am going to pick up another Mediator, and that is going to be the primary for a good friend of mine for when we go to End War, and so that's going to be really cool. Yeah, I cannot recommend the system enough. The handles are comfortable, the foregrip is in a comfortable place, it's comfortable to pump, it's smooth, it has a nice pop when you shoot it, which is really cool. And there's just so much room for painting and doing some really awesome stuff. I can't wait to crack this open and do a mod guide for this, and maybe a little bit to this as well. I'm not sure. We'll kind of see about that. Okay, so you guys may have noticed it just jump cutted and I look a little bit different because my shirt is light blue instead of dark blue and it doesn't say Italia on it. Well, that's because I'm filming this segment, this part of the video, after I filmed the rest of it, and the reason for that is I didn't get any mods for my mod of the week this week until I was actually editing this video, and so that's what this is all about. So this is our mod of the week, or weekly mod. I'm not sure what we're going to call this. Let me know in the comments below. But yeah, this is the, it's a blaster designed to look kind of like a medical kit, and this is really cool. This was the, I believe it was kind of dubbed the Purse Blaster from Rebel by the Nerf community. It was basically the Rebel version of the Deploy. I really did like the Deploy. I like the features of it. Never actually got the chance to own one, which is unfortunate. But this blaster is really cool. It's done by, and I will put his name right here if I am able to use that. I was sent this mod on Facebook, so I'm also accepting your guys' mods through Facebook, the comment section, and any other way you guys want to get in touch with me to send me a mod. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I'm going to link to his video that he did about it in the description box. And so yeah, I'm going to put, you guys might notice that this is a multiple window kind of setup, so I'm going to put the picture right over here somewhere so you guys can see that. And so yeah, I hope you guys kind of like this format that I'm doing. I really like this mod. It's really cool. I like the weathering that he did. It looks really good. I like how he painted it to look like a medical kit. I thought that was really cool. I think it would work really great for games that would use medics, so that the medics would have a way to defend themselves and still carry something that looks like a medical kit, which is really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this. This is our first weekly mod, and so yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed, and back to the rest of the video. And so yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this look at the Nerf Modulus Mediator barrel, and yeah, as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment in the comments below. Always love hearing what you guys have to say. And this is Nerfinator, signing off.